You asked and we listened. You can now use free email templates on your mobile devices. I'm here to show you how. I'm not at the office yet, but I just got an email from my client who's canceling our call because his friends are surprising him for his birthday. I really like this client, and now that I know it's his birthday, I want to make him feel special with a cute birthday card, which I can do in a few seconds right from my phone. I've added CloudHQ's Gmail Templates add-on from the Google Workspace Marketplace, so now I'm just going to open up my Gmail app on my phone and click the Compose button like I would any other email. Next, I'll click the three dots here to bring up my menu options. And now I'll see a new option to insert from Templates by CloudHQ. This opens up Gmail Templates on my phone. I'll click on Free Templates to look for a nice birthday card. There's so many fun birthday cards to choose from, but because I know that my client loves cats, I'll just use this adorable cat birthday card. I can customize it, add his email address, click Send, and I'm done. It's a quick and thoughtful way to make my client feel appreciated. CloudHQ, helping your productivity one click at a time.